Before you decide to buy Body Punch, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. Stick around until the end, because you're about to find out how Body Punch stacks up against its competitors and why it might be the right fit for your business. This is all based on real-world experience, so you'll get insights you won't find elsewhere. The first thing to know is that Body Punch is a time tracking software that is made with simplicity in mind. It's designed for companies of all sizes, but particularly shines when used in small to mid-sized businesses. Compared to alternatives like T-Sheets or Clockify, Body Punch has a much more streamlined user interface, which makes setup quick and easy. You won't find yourself buried under confusing features that you don't need. Next thing, the employee scheduling feature. This is one area where Body Punch stands out. While other time tracking tools like Harvest don't offer robust scheduling options, Body Punch comes with an integrated scheduling system that allows managers to create schedules directly in the software. You can easily see who's working, when they're working, and even track overtime. For businesses where shifts and coverage are crucial, this is a game changer. The third thing to know is about its payroll integration. Body Punch doesn't just track time, it integrates with most major payroll systems like QuickBooks, Gusto, and ADP. This helps eliminate double data entry and reduces the risk of human error. If you're already using one of these systems, the sync process is pretty seamless, unlike some other software options where integration is a clunky manual process. Next up is mobile functionality. Body Punch is available as a mobile app for both iOS and Android. This means your employees can punch in and out from anywhere, whether they're at the office or working remotely. The GPS tracking is a nice feature, especially for businesses that need to monitor field employees. And compared to other mobile time tracking tools, Body Punch's app is more intuitive and faster, which can be crucial when employees are pressed for time. The fifth thing to keep in mind is security. Body Punch offers a range of security features to protect your data. This includes secure logins, two-factor authentication, and data encryption. While tools like Clockify may offer some of these features, Body Punch goes the extra mile with audit logs and tracking, which can be important for compliance, especially in regulated industries. The sixth thing you should know is that Body Punch's customer service is top-notch. Unlike some competitors who offer limited support hours or slow response times, Body Punch offers live chat, phone support, and email assistance. You won't have to wait for days to get the help you need, and their team is known for being helpful and knowledgeable, which is a huge plus when you're dealing with something as important as time tracking. The seventh and final thing to mention is pricing. Body Punch offers a free trial, so you can test it out before committing. When you compare Body Punch's pricing to alternatives like T-Sheets, it's more affordable, especially for small businesses. There's a flexible pricing structure based on how many employees you have, which means you're not paying for features you'll never use. If you're wondering whether Body Punch is the right choice for your business, now you know what sets it apart. To give it a try yourself and get an exclusive benefit, click the first link in the description below for the best free trial offer.